nyina ne say ye parking kan any problem ni nyina ne say ye tie dede mo ye tie amanyosem ebema ye yasuma ye den chain said de beboa yankasa eno na ye problem no one say ebi kra ref say NDC for emre bi omo manifesto na ye de tuma wo mu no omo ka insem bi sa enti ase omo say jobs adwuma and affair to stability just say emphasis stability bibia betumi akoso ama na pepe ejina so ama we eba adwuma na wo ya sikaba be kwa animu right to the etoso or see development enti and for say ye to abama na adwuma beba enyoma be kɔ n'anim enti 2012 no enyoma 4 enom di gina so enyoma 4 president John Mahaama di gina so ye ba ko ye putting people first 2012 no that manifesto no read there there were 4 key thematic areas enyoma 9 first putting people first or the nipa be di kan sana John Mahaama ka kire you sure the tosu mienu o say strong and resilient economy amemu a ehwo odian betimi de ho atono so Bako infrastructure development. You see hospital. Bako transparent and accountable government. That's just bibia beda ho fan corruption say na ekosika say na wo ho na obi ehu de eko. Apart from infrastructure John Mahaama ya ade. 3 so di ni pay di kan say amamuo bone pa na John Mahaama at that time. Amamuo bone say na de ho kra enya konokra bio. Amamuo bone John Mahaama de afam no ginyame. Ena corruption ni nkrofo ejida ne ho ahwanse ne basa. Enti out of 4 no ba ko pe which is infrastructure and you see there was also bia okay schools. Enti e tell say the manifesto no kra kan ye no no any gidie wom no ni gidie and ma Ghana for to tia no aye kof okay
prosperous nation developing well-planned safe communities while protecting the natural environment.
I want to get a good one.
I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24 hours? In 2016, Doomsaw had been solved. Nobody's lights went off in 2016. I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24-hour economy? In 2016.
Abuja for me church munyina kwabas ko de mba rasmi dia GH and nanyumbe. Abuja for there is a hidden agenda titiro bi koso e wo NDC amanyoko no. A omode na moso e di nsemfo wo manum. Nsemfo no omudi ebie ni se omo chichi nipa. Na se nipa na omo chichi won no. There is a reason behind. So bi nipa da sani Ghana for ya adwene enyanko so. Ene rasmi da me beti ho akyerɛw. E wo hu hidden plan agenda kesiya pa Yura Mahaama odi si Ghana for aye na manu suntia odi chichi amanfo se de be obedai ti amanfo adwene e de akosi asem foforo so na de ekoso ankasa no ya nka ho asem because how anema esikono things that are coming out they are many so they have to do something to cover some of the things yebeka sa asem no as our first topic. If you want to any about them, or him and this in him, Miami or NDC in him, pa, or NDC in him, pa. Mamma, no about on things or NDC for or motum quanta or more a pipe or NDC in him because NDC a man you couldn't good any mass or more a day or more money really because they are now doing a farm and yet no and a mobile more. If you also need a NDC journalist, and a jantua, and then what about Bonting, Eddie, Sabio, young can say, young can say, oh, you are another Danko Kufado, a pa. What's another point, a homodre, another year bypass be, or Bojuma pa, or say a Juma another year, I turn a small green horn tears here. I was a gun and neighbor Pia Monanado Abaso, any the free education. And then another jantua, kasa say, get more than that to a paso. They say, when it is doing. You see, no cre. A sum entiment kata no cre suda. Said the tibia, there will be a day, no cre, a be free sumu about it. Yebekasa, ede afa, sa asem no ho. If you answer, na ye call papa bi ye see friend Justice Atukuba o ye ndi cinema panyini pa sa man we bere bi atwam ono na odi asem bi e wo Ghana man mu a oma NDC ekotena akonwa so for the second time during Mahaama time when he tried to succeed Yewura John Evans Atta Mills. Waba abonten odin some strong warning at the NDC parliament of today. And also Rebecca who has me we are near be phone lines now wants to work to me after now watch them again. Higher Ras Media GH, Ras Media GH on YouTube, Ras Media GH on Facebook, and Ras Media GH on what? On TikTok.
We're told that we're now going to go into a 24-hour economy. I'm amazed by this statement. By somebody who couldn't keep the lights on for 12 hours is going to give us a 24-hour economy. With what power are we going to power this 24-hour economy when even 12 hours you can't keep the lights on? The killer of killers, Dumso, for 4 years, you couldn't keep the lights on.
Yes, for 4 years you couldn't keep the lights on. And then they also be 24-hour economy. You be then you be then you believe you can do that. Nana do buye ebuyembe but yampa ntie and you got to abafon. I and I'm swama. You are John Dariga Dramani Mahaama. Now Abusia, let me address you this thing. Asema me ba beka ni nei. And say me you be a support to corruption. Say me ye pa. Asema me ba beka ni nei. And say me support to be a odidi atem and I say be a only Ghana so. I don't support that person. So I want people to put this thing into their minds before they listen to me. It is very, very important. Abusian 4. Dennis Melako Sabwaje. Okateche Kwame Afrifa. Any Kamira. Yes, Yaba Bechini Pafufro Krantanaka home. Sanchen NDC for the tree, Sankro for me and some way at this time. Mia Badiba. Men come away once ha and they say Fatu Tim say a tactics. Yashadan Yatransi Adjuna Prani say it was a Sabri Wemu. Yen Chichigana phobin more muye MP before Tum. Na me banaba bachro dientia and who here say NDC for a bit to miachi MP before a dear gum. Yewura semnum na me no mu asuto. Me maame ama me akwa ba me yokwasi asamoa me chana love lex owusu so me chia yepa. Yewura semnum na me mu asudoko. Abusiamfo. Yeyina nim say break akra bi atwa me. Within a shorter period of time. Animguasi ahodo. Political embalancement, disgrace politically, and then happen into the house of the NDC. Abusian 4. You see, just in about 2 weeks before this week, the NDC as a party, ruling party, no, and in that 2 weeks, now there are a lot of embarrassment. Ebenezer 1, Yewura Mahaama ekojina baabi during his time. Eko kan say nsuo to na nsuo shirifa sabio Accra apanya oteso ne fort. Na ono betena konwa so a nsuo shirifa Accra na yehweye na oti aluprem na ohwe de asie no. At the bigger and shameful what them call reputation kase de beto NDC party no. Omosu yepa. Temi yepa. Sa nsuo na ehiri wo ankranman tam esesa amanfo e de amanfo ne makoye. Sa de na esiye no. It exposed Yewura Mahaama kakrakapa na a very big expose. Na a very big expose. Unim de ntia. Enye se because nsuo hiri bi ehiri wo Accra penyo dabi. because of the comment here, no ma ye abra na oti opposition. Now him say this time, so I can say the politics of today, is completely different from the politics of before. Now uko jamba bi na uka asema uka wia ayira. This time, asema obeka bia ye twa to ho. Ochana na de ayeden. They compare what you're doing. Enti sansem na papa ne kafa Accra fraud and when he was in opposition. Na ne preso na konwa bre odi akonwa so Accra ensuo gifa ye no. Na ye disgrace akasiepa. Na ye disgrace ye mu true. So the NDC no. Mahaama has been exposed already by another promises. Women Bank, 24-hour economy. Why? Create beer for me the pipe be seen automatic posting. Sanyama winning ano a political embalancement. I beto in this yaman na ensuo shiri nso asembe shiraka ho na ababeto won ayedai ababeto won so. The thing is that in the political space for about 1 month and nobody talks about MPP apart from NDC when they want to hide themselves. So the pressure on the NDC was very high. Now, assembly the try a minute, the try concura a man NDC for decided say they must to arrest some of the MPP public figures in the said. Sabri we am no say. NDC for uncrophobia the constitution na it say nipa bia Ghana nipa bia our criteria to become the president of the republic. Obetimi anko only 8 years no. NDC for binom asheda at the court to say they want the Supreme Court interpretation, which means to say, our person Monte Asia, say you were John Mahaama to me assign a stand the BM as a president or not. Now remember, say, now that I'm talking with you, the Ghana Supreme Court is packed with the NDC, what them call judges. And all the courts, Ghana Maimuno, NDC Abanya packing Crawford, she and Odio Mwakuku. And the Omoyen say they are finding a way for the John Mahaama to come at the third run because the woman and this if what should I internal what them call elections. And this if what should I internal research. Or why should I they are big researchers. I'm Juma on the surface of Ghana who said there is no candidate in the NDC today who can stand Dr. Bawumia in 2028. But you won't tell me, Yepa. So we've been so far the analysis. Papa, we are your friend. What is the name? Info Analytics. Then some of the Babonten Kren and ye pro NDC agenda. So we had the results no the banner. NDC man kasa nipa bia ni NDC man na omoto about NDC amanyo koma obetumi nya 50% kura e dia win the flag bearership a position. And think about national. It the woman say omo personal and I say their own research say Dr. Bawumia is far ahead of them and nobody can beat Dr. Bawumia. So what the NDC is trying to do is say they want John Mahaama to candidate himself again. And the assuming this form of the constitution now, a governance, the duration of a person to be a president. You know. That article on Ankasano, the Supreme Court to say, because they want to know if John Mahaama can come again. John Mahaama, they want to bring him again because that is why they started from somewhere. What they did was that the Supreme Court judge without any reason because they knew what they wanted to do. Court to hold on say woman. And this Abanya Shada package judges somewhere and this for and not your Mako. So obviously, Sasam no more the court Supreme Court honor. They are going to turn themselves and they will come back and they will say, the constitution is interpreted this way, so Mahaama should go again. This is because no one in the NDC as a party today, they have nobody on this planet called ETA. Open to me, Ejina NDC team, Edia winning elections against you, Dr. Bawumiada. So the NDC is strategically working on how to bring John Mahaama again, because they believe we say, Yehuda Mahaama, so far as a sitting president, he can use some manners to abuse power or to use the state resources to capture power again for the NDC. Enti asem no kokotwa asem wei ye de ba bontena eyen sembebre na de babantino. The NDC decided to what? To arrest some public figures in the MPP to shift the attention completely from the state affairs to the MPP affairs. Timiye pa. Enam sa asem we wokotwa sa asem wei say send this for Jaima MPP for ye talk for even more than a month, and I say even for a week here. The public opinion will condition the judges at the Supreme Court. Because Ghana niba be no can say yes, Mahaama batetem. Now onye NDC chronia obeka say otiase because say you are putting the country's freedom at risk. So na wankasa wodo pebesisa constitution no na tima ma wakwanya ma wasan akwa president biem no oyesa you make people angry, and when the people get angry omopaja atuo ni asekan and the presidency and NFN coup d'etat so it affect everybody. So what the NDC is doing is they want to do this thing underground. They want to do this thing underground. And in Tia Yadiakochip miracles, Abuaje, any catatio frifa, I didn't simple my frame, I hear Buraman for an answer for. Let me tell you something. Hey, Assemble and this Abanka, the entire Mokochi miracles Abuaje. Almost one coaching miracles Abuaje because Neho Bong Ewo, a institution be an Okahubi. First of all, Menako Sabwaje has never been minister for payment or mayor or Nyanghodu any responsibility in that officer or in charge of payment or who do that was friend saying that position that you find on Tonche. So you be a sika do you go and arrest the person once the person is coming from abroad? So obi a sika now open achina. Enipa no ukwache na bro fira ma no neba se udi atuo ne second year soldier for mo ahye helmet and AK-47 nomne offend saying bazooka se wo de kwache nipa na ofira bro chireba. Why do you do that? Because enipa ne enipa bia or you be all person onyanim firi kronum na on go through the procedures e wo court wa enka opi abonten enka on sign mabiem. Because this is not the first time I'm kasa efasa case na modote ne ho so no. Anytime that you call him, the person has come. So tell me why you should go to the airport. Abra nipa ni ba onya fe no tu kwan yo. Na we kwa kwache nti se de wonya owudini kese bi e de no kire Ghana man. Adentia because they wanted to shift attention from the real dates, from animguasia who NDC for in these days. From animguasia, any sabio, Yankopona will pia wonka, Kama, Achin, Crofu, ya muni baby form 1 inch. They don't know where they should turn their faces. And turning contompone, Sabium Cassetio, Moncassetri, MPP, and then Yankopon will be a dead disarmy and contompo for. So they don't know how to put their face. Now, especially some random person Monsesan or court, a Supreme Court. That is the main reason why they are arresting people. Because, brother, it's also a political party that you came in power with the intention to prosecute. Any corrupt official there, Chireme, DNT this Bedia Kuga. And this if why Yatio Mogu prisoner, Yatio Yedi or Masamanko Kotwa, court to ahwehwe won file man who said no nkrofo omo ho wasem nkrofo omo abokro no adenti ndc ba ya wayi won nyina case ya free court so omo ni problem na mom no say dey o say okoche nkrofo foforo afe na oba behwe won asemu ahu so omo wo guilty omo wasem e so omo meyi ano ana so omo ni asem so omo meyi ano. This is what the problem is. Because Obi I will see you after. Who person umeko emphasis judimushet or kankan proyase there. I support you, but you should not be somebody. Said you at the same time we pick and choose. Says NDC ni abokro no a there be enye bone, but some people ni omokro no kra na yenche no just because you want to show where the power lies. Now abusia anye bia when the Yoko became a state body otumichi nipa two. Yoko doesn't have the right to arrest anyone. Yoko can do investigations and submit their report to the Attorney General. And from there, the Attorney General will take the neat steps necessary for the accused person. But I'm saying this for him say, Omun to me in power court because Omu the Nipanako court, obviously, the person is going to defend himself and he's going to win. So they cannot arrest you. Ye match Yoko, Ekocho, Ikitikimua, Ned Wababeto says, Ned the Pela, Anu Edene, Bill, Nano Menakasabaji, 50 million Ghana cities. A day. Obi ono akona brochire awasanya ba wo se wo case yo ho ya so entino bra wo pese wo san pia 50 million Ghana cedis. This is because they want to show where power lies. They want to make sure say they punish some people even though it's not a right way. So they are using the bail conditions as a form of punishment on the people. But the reason why they are doing this thing say they want to shift attention from the criminal intender, Mahaama. They intend to say, opposite on the constitution, no, not on term, no, a criminal because you instigate people, you make people angry, you make the lion, the sleeping lions, no, you make them awake, and this can cause disaster and damage to our country. And the reason why they are arresting people is just to keep people quiet. The reason why they are arresting people is because they don't want their hidden agenda, the dark part of the NDC agenda, to come to power 2028 to be heard by people. But it shall not stand. It shall never and never stand. We will walk towards this and we will make sure everything breaks apart. Yebeka safa ho abusianfo we MPP communicator forget about sansem na omo kritino moma yenka samfa saade we ho. The fact is that the constitution does not allow anyone to have 2 terms as a government, more than 2 terms as a government. That is what we have to talk about, because eno ene koso ewo ho. Now you see His Excellency John Mahaama today asemo ya America ene ono ankasa be country Ghana for say yes enokre opetete manko. But you know, Mahaama is somebody who always want to fool Ghanaians. Mahaama is somebody who always want to show say he's wiser than every Ghanaian. Asam no be kind or be so, but answer na yebeko yanim no. I want you to see this. Where the entire American church say arrest be or more here, it is just to cover the evil mind. No? Tiasem with it.
Say to coin there 55 million asem come say or say enyampo bi anim kan 55 million asem bia me coin no omni me di nkomo ba about them say 5 million contract bia ye the man will be eno na omo bisa me ho asem today nti no be chiro say statement because omo weaponize state institutions say miracles kasa dodo yen say o ma catch them say next week ombechi ye MP baako because ye kasa dodo
Omampo mama ni say
Oma na say nyina ye won for on the other side ye won for system
and to be anim say we are now
ye de yen nim esi afreme because say ye kasa dodo and then a ban who did this because I'm person be because na mamin ka o studio na make sure say aban we opese oka obia kasa bo ahye ne was starting with Chief Justice or the akofa MPs so in team for jo mu ne ade or chichireba or the aba central force so ne ade afi ordinary members of the society or chichireba because of agenda bi we chire a opese e bedru ho no na be me bia ni kromo tumi kasa into or chichireba and they say yes a young lady bi okoke kan sem bia bia se film kakra wa TikTok yes 1 year amano 1 year yes okodu court kra no ni lawyer and now lawyer Dimika bejina na chi say obejina ha my lord first day no oni lawyer nti ono ade amukeka no nti ase ti ene me lawyer ma ba nti yen starting foforo ni en taking the plea foforo judge ne se ontie miracle by ni ebisa no say nti wo call yen 55 million asem no come say o say o enyampa obi ani me kan 55 million asem bia me call yen no omni me di nkomo be about them say 5 million contract bia ye de ma obi eno na omo bisa me ho asem today into number church statement because omo weaponize state institutions say miracles kasa dodo yen say o ma catch them say next week ombechi ye MP baako because ye kasa dodo
Omampo mama ni ese
oma na say nyina ye won for on the other side ye won for system
and obi anim say we are na
ye de yen nim esi afreme because om say ye kasa dodo aden ye aban who did this because omo person obi abekasa na mamin ka o studio na make sure say aban we opese oka obia kasa bo ahye ne yam was starting with Chief Justice or the akofa MPs so in team for jo mu ne ade or chichireba or the aba central force so ne ade afi ordinary members of the society or chichireba because of agenda bi we chire a opese e bedru ho no na be me bia ni kromo tumi kasa into or chichireba and they say yes a young lady bi okoke kan sem bia bia se film kakra wa TikTok yes 1 year amano 1 year yes okodu court kra no ni lawyer and now lawyer Dimika bejina na chi say obejina ha my lord first day no oni lawyer nti ono ade amukeka no nti ase ti ene me lawyer ma ba nti yen starting foforo ni en taking the plea foforo judge ne se ontie
yes intervention say wutie asema yewien kan ya di omo ye bia no ye plan enti osi MPP so omo kasa dodo enti ye nchichi omo ntum se wutie asema papa ikan ye ya osi the NDC idea ne say MPP for no omo kasa ne ye nchichi omo ntum because plan na omo ye ne no sa Mahaama agenda na omo be odena busiamo fanchem so omo makwan ma amanfo kasa fa ho a ebe say party no because se Ghana for yeti ye kama Ghana for to say NDC for ahye that chichi say Mahaama ansanko for the second time every Ghanaian will be angry and this is why the NDC don't want Ghanaians to hear enti ye nchichi amanfo ngum in fact the yeti no abontin nyina ne say ya che Melakosaboaji because we disika 55 million abusia ade ne ne abusia he ade ne ne Melakosaboaji ono ankasa ne lawyer say ne nipa na ye de court no ye de police for yoko ho obia misane 500,000 cedis bia problem Ose abusia fam mame no muso mame dana me mo akwa pa come style Melakosaboaji lawyer ba abonten no aseba obeka kire ye ne se Melakoso ye de ko prison ho no ana se de ko yogo fo omo cells ho no ya mfana nkoso ode kawo omukọ hono mo ankasa mfa 50 million cedis bia ho enti sansem na onu begu abontena ye ntro the reason in say they wanted to shift the attention of Ghanaians from what is going on in the country. They wanted to shift the MPP communicators especially from what is happening. Mahaama asema Supreme Court so person mena be president TBM any atorenche ma etoto yen within shorter possible time in the country. This is what they wanted to do. In fact, and then Say the Biasa Kasa Mahaama na no etro. Mahaama oko to say Kennedy Japan na no etro. And some way in Anam and Framamua, ye can one sem say na ye would Mahaama pa. Sana out here. Adia was so bedi na no one kasawaka said 4 years of a good leader is better than so say 10 years of a bad leader. What come I at and tell him so 4 years there? You can do whatever you think you want to do for Ghanaians. And then Mahaama can't Ghana for say our attention to go to the third term. He is using a man be a to say indirectly. Mahaama is telling Ghanaians to say he wants to go for the third term. But listen to the manner. You would Mahaama had the cancer no actually Ghana 40.
A little comment. The people of Ghana gave me a mandate for 1 term, and I am working hard to meet the promises I made them. And so I always tell my ministers, I say, let's number our days so that we can work harder to meet the promises we made the Ghanaian people. I know that people have gone to the Supreme Court seeking interpretation of the clause that governs the tenure of the president. If you ask my personal opinion, I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says, but...
Listen, the same way it is very, very slight. And yes, like a very light. Papa way a very trickish. Or can't Ghana phone you now say or no dear. Say Omoko Supreme Court or no Mobana or Mokase or no betumia kote tema. A yene plan or non a prani you. Number no a young crofobinum ne dia seven cockord, gono de na agreement dear. Bipia and prefer say the term a 1 dear aka or tissue. But me about Papa way a and draw phone contumpo for. So Bekaya after 2016 defeat. Papa Weba said he has spoke to his family and is not interested in contesting any election in Ghana. But the would you see 2020 na Papa Jinam air contested. And then Asamia Papa can high a very, 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 very little. Or say, or not there, what kind of constitution no many times. Interpretation no actually say, or only 1 term to go. But what tends to say, and Crofobinum the accept no yeday, echo hefa, echo court say, young coca, and church the muye. How many times and a president bet to me a dear kuda? Into another onim hore, I was ya, me about him. Italy for Becca's family or the Ninsa Epikai. As I say, a messon a man of Bant. As Jen said, what shall see defending what they are Ghana for? Says Omokono, Omobano, Mocaso, no bet to me a copy ma, or Becco, but a yawn on a coffee remove. Hey, Papa, what son you see, he want NDC motto is we want weak-minded people to lead them. Temiepa, we want weak-minded to lead them. And the Asamia Papa can say, whatever will come out, you know. It is not him who went for it. A young crofobinum neomoye, but chance never to hold your bay.
I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says. But if they want to ask the Supreme Court, that is their business. But I know that the people of Ghana gave me 1 additional term, and I'm going to work to meet the trust that they put in me. Thank you very much.
Trust that they gave you, you have already bounced it. You came in just to make your family rich and rich. I was the same way, and I made it better about this. It is just to divert your attention. But some of us, we will never divert our attentions to talk about Menake Swabo. I just say, We will not talk about that. We will talk about the problems in the society. The incompetency of John Mahaama. And then Rebecca Safa. Miracles, Yachine Bejano. And your medium Ponanka and your TMPP Nine for 50 million, 70 million, brand, your mouth bela, in Kayenya, Nipan Fama Yoku for no Kitano. They say you cannot keep the person for 48 hours. 48 hours in the Duran, who they see. Me, allow them, let them out, let them keep them. That the attention is different. The reality of the fact, and I'm sure Papa will hear the oil, it is completely different. They just want to divert you. Yeah, Casa Family Kosabuajono. Now, Supreme Court judges also interpreted the law in the favor of John Dramani Mahaama. That is what is going on. That is what going on. Meeting any RAS Media GH. Mr. Sebomode, and subscribe to this channel. Like the video, no commenting. Now you who na yenchao. Aye. And then your first time, so I subscribe on all the social media handles on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. RAS Media GH. I was informed me RAS Media TV, RAS Media GH, and NES. And your friend trainer will hold TV. I was the program over YouTube soon and say, "Such channel know how me here watch hours." I just said, "Mubuame." Move me videos so I make people home. Outreach. So that we are made to me as an monetizing back my channel. Yento aso na yenko enim on another matters. Another matter beto ho ne say. Andi sini ohema maame bi osi wadwa. Andi sini ohema maame osi wadwa. Die nti e wadwa tie.
Le fi NDC ni bio na hu se MPP no kwafo sanse me nya MPP ni eso MPP fo etime kasa kire me na na gira pintin e na nya botre na enya wo hu bone wo ye ba panyina wo ye ba konofo na wo mu tumefo tuma hu se MPP ye ku a o me betimu akasa kire me amemetime gira akosi mbra onyankopon o de be ma me yo nsi anya me de be ma me tinne le free NDC no hia me achia me oh me NDC ni bie mu da me mo akọbọ MPP me de nkura nyina akọye tinne me MPP ni le ko pe me ti chobadom me ko tuma ba wota no boase me nko poto aba anyi wansidi free party bia mu da NDC for me ni o mo sika wansidi kurada ne me MPP ni nya matwe midin e de ama nya me ban kofi wayo ne mo hu me da ho a mo mra mesie me se MPP ni se abate si wo ya yeto anopa ni kofa ho kakra ni papa wo ho enso wonti dede wonti she boko sa wo eno pa ye menije e ma hokwafo a ama asomani se party ya nka be ntokwa kabe na nka ntokwa fra asere asundie fia ne mission ha ne edem ya nti se nipa kra wo abeka ye hu wa ha matse mission ha mfia dua san 9 ni yeti ha se de yeti a na yeti toma ba ha enso asundie nkuna asundie
Yes, and to my hima we so nya NDC BM because we say NDC for to trust for. Yanto aso yenko yanim. Papa ye fe Justice Tukuba aye nyina nim no. Papa na okodi asem ewo NPP NDC general election sabio ojeje de ma NDC no. Ene papa na babontre we twa pa na metu maintain video no nsema odena.
Honorable Majority Leader, Honorable is that the case now? Debatable. Thank you, at least. Well, that is not it. Truth is one and indivisible, except you are talking politically. You know it. I see this parliament as standing for something else than the interests of Ghanaians. That's how I see it. Some of them are good, but others are immersed in loyalty to the party and to whoever for the time being is president, maneuvering to progress along the political ladder, irrespective of honesty, fairness, good service to the people of Ghana. That's what I have seen, and I've said it. I'm not saying these things out of spite, not at all, but it's necessary, because the ship of state has tilted very, very ominously. Happily, as I say, all is not lost. There are some people who are good politicians.
Anti Papa, we are telling you, this cinema pound. But look at the anger this man is using in expressing himself against his own party. I say, Parliament, where you see where Mahaama Yariga ni diani muno. Ohu Parliament and say it is only for their betterness, personal interest, political career development. And the Ebeyaman Nipa Dasani Huaton. No. The NDC majority in Parliament does not care. Temiepa, Nagana Fonayana, people forget. Temiepa, me say in Ghana, we always forget. Because Yehuda Mahaama is somebody new in the political arena. He is somebody who has been ruling for 4 years before, who has been a vice president for 4 years before. We know him. And Justice Tukuba, what is strange for you? We knew him. These promises that Mahaama made in 2024 were taken promising before. With the collaboration of his own journalist. And this is for journalist Kesepa Nana Jantwa of Ahimfie TV. And then me mana be expose you John Mahaama Diachero. Like the video do not share a comment man. Promises are Mahaama dia Ghana for. No. Since then, I'm a permanent. And the word show. You be an Asamba studio. The video do not memorize it.
2012 manifesto no
2012 DD. We also 2012 manifesto advancing the better Ghana agenda. Sabre so be kai answer na ye better 2012 about not 2008 about Ghana agenda.
Right.
And almost Sabeka say we need the Professor Mills time. Now the better Ghana agenda there. John Dramani Mahaama by and say okay. So better Ghana agenda na ye and the canin. We need ye be advancing ye the be count. I'm a better Ghana no akwede. Mti say advancing the better Ghana agenda. Asia ho.
Aha. Anti asio tie nsema okan.
Asia say jobs.
2012 tie. More kind manifesto. Nentina Ghana makacho say ye problem ni nyina ne say ye parking kind and ye problem ni nyina ne say ye tie dede more ye tie amanyosem ebema ye yasuma ye de chain said ye be boa yankasa and no na ye problem no one say ebi kra ref say NDC for emre bi omo manifesto na ye de tumu a wo mu no omo ka nsem bi sa enti ase omo say jobs adwuma
and a face to stability
just say emphasis stability
bibia betimi akoso ama na pepe ejina so ama we eba adwuma na wo ya sikaba be kwa animu and to the etoso or see development
enti and for say ye to abamana adwuma beba Enyoma be konenim. Enti 2012 no enyoma 4 enom di gina so. Enyoma 4 President John Mahaama di gina so ye baako ye putting people first. 2012 no that manifesto no read there. There were 4 key thematic areas. Enyoma 9 first putting people first or the nipa be di kan. Sana John Mahaama ka tell you.
Sure.
The tosumienu also strong and resilient economy. Amemu a ehwo dia betimi de ho atono so. Baako infrastructure development.
Yebesisi adan, yebesisi hospital.
Baako transparent and accountable government.
That's just bibia beda ho fan am obi say bia o say na ekosika say na wo ho na obi ehu de ekọ.
Apart from infrastructure John Mahama ya ade. 3 so di ni pay di kan say amamuo bone pa na John Mahama at that time. Amamuo bone
say na ne ho kra enya kono kra bio.
Amamuo bone John Mahama de afam no ginyame. Ena corruption ne nkrofo ejida ne ho ahwan se ne basa. Enti out of phone ba
which is
infrastructure and you see there was also bia
okay schools.
Enti e tell say the manifesto no kra kan ye no no any gidie wom
no ni gidie
and ma Ghana for to tia
no aye kof. Okay.
Prosperous nation developing well-planned safe communities while protecting the natural environment.
I want to get a good one.
I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24 hours? In 2016, Doomsaw had been solved. Nobody's lights went off in 2016. I heard him say that we could not keep the lights on. How can we run 24-hour economy? In 2016, Doomsaw had been solved. Nobody's lights went off in 2016.
The point is that even electricity na sem na wo kan na se for the 24-hour economy no kra na ne bo ayedin. Ai ne bo President John Mahama under 24-hour economy ono nso dia okaye.
But we know that there will be obstacles. One, you need to provide security because people must be able to work in the night without.
So, how's everything going?
I'm trying to get it now. You two for her agenda. Okay.
The agro-processing sector. That is those who will process our cassava into cassava starch, cassava flour, gari, and all that. There's a huge market in Africa for.
But utie President John Dramani Mahama ono nso adwuma okaye efa 24-hour economy no ya dika boy free 2012 ya ba MPP 2016 the same adwuma ya na Ghana for the tutia no the same adwuma ya na afedo okoba ye se 24-hour economy no ebetimi aye all the magic amano entientie enyoma na woka no.
That is those who will process our cassava into cassava starch, cassava flour, gari, and all that. This is the 24-hour economic law.
Timbacho muntie President John Dramani Mahama on only 24-hour economy bacho mum peke nyoma no emami na yentie nyoma na ekoso no because makacho say in project management Kofi in project management wo pese wo ye dwumadie bia na ehyenhihye ye o watena se awie so pese wo ye wadwempon de aka ye planning no na nanu mbekere wo ye free bibi project management triangle se wo planning asamre na wo de nkrata etoto fom no ade ba ko a wo hwe eye emra wo de beye eye sika ene adwuma ne tetrete which is the scope the time, the resources. And no now the bay. It is a 24-hour economy. Obey no brebe. As he can send which are to send a busy send it to say. Okay. And the entire kakranka on the 24-hour economy. Makacho say a bell Juma both NDC ni MPP. Oma da Ghana for and what and they say a dear betchino MPP for campaign.
And they are manifesto no because they be Juma. Baby Juma mama.
Enti 24-hour economic President John Dramani Mahama. And also kikanye no.
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. 1, 3, 3. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obi abedidi. Ezu. Extraordinary problems require extraordinary solutions for extraordinary results. And so businesses and public organizations will be encouraged to operate 24/7 in 3 shifts of 8 hours.
This will boost production, it will increase employment and provide paying jobs. It will transform Ghana into an import substitution and export-led country. It will increase employment opportunities and revenue, and it will enhance access to public services.
So far, President John Dramani Mahama ninsem ni bia okay kan o say.
Ninsem o kan say, sabre na emebunu so say omunye adwuma nya no o say, say nyame adom na Ghana fo to abama no which is 2024.
Meanwhile, no so time no adwuma no went.
Yeah. It you say obey 24-hour economy. It you say ye adwuma baako a enipa miensa na be omo asa be ko 3 shift. It say bia say ye adwuma baako a kwakuba ono no be ye ni 8 hours a opon a na adwoa ba na adwoa so pon a na ya oso abeye bi enti one job 3 people 3 shifts enti sanka adwuma na nka baby ye for nipa 100 no say 3 shift no e ba be nipa 300 and also adwempo etechire ni say sa one job 3 people shift in the bar e be boa ama business is etuma koso ebeboa ma businesses net to me afa enyuma bebre na e boost to production ne chere say sa enyoma na adwumakuo ni eye no o mbetumi aye ni bebre enyoma no kra be boost wo Ghana ye di bi be ko broni krom na etumi ama yesika sam etumi agina brane
yento aso na yentie ni 24-hour economy no ni nyina agina so eye adwuma.
We will focus on some selected public institutions that have huge customer traffic. For instance, the ports and harbors should be open 24/7. That means we have to employ more workers at the port. We have to employ more customs officers, more Gapoha workers, more forklift operators and all that. We need customs. Customs should work 24/7, 3 shifts. So that at any time your items come, customs at the time of the day is open for business. You can go and process your import things, papers, and take your things out of the port. You must have a passport office that is operating longer than 8 hours, so that people who need passports and other such documentation can have access to it. You must have a DVLA that is working more shifts than 1 shift, so that more people can get their licenses processed in a shorter time than the current waiting time. In the private sector, the sectors that we are looking to promote and encourage to run 24/7 and 3 shifts are first the agro-processing sector. That is those who will process our cassava into cassava starch, cassava flour, gari and all that. There's a huge market in Africa for all these products and in other parts of the world.
So far, I'll say.
And so far, my Benny John Dramani Mahama can say, send the way as 24 hours. Ever cost. And you put attention, I'm going to make who are daddy dead. I nipa, Echo dumping more. She said, Nipa or more or Muya Juman Esano. A buying 24-hour economy in the bar. Nititre pa any pots and habono. Or sit down in the ya Nipa kobo dumping more. It is a 24-hour economy in the bar. Sa a Nipa or Muya Juma or more bed also.
And see what we are trying to do, Nene, for example, Oka pot.
And
see what your head of research ABA and say say a capota ye baba researcher who say pot no efani passe kai say abansi obekreti one ebema 24-hour economy ne bema at least 1.7 to 2 million jobs. 1.7 to 2 million jobs out of 24-hour economy. And no say aban nyuma no maybe a beshase no e be a pot nti a researcher who say pot so mo yesay nti o mo yesay na dey times 2 account
it is e be a nipa 100 na ye adwuma or pot because of 24-hour economy no yeah hwehwe say nkasa amre dey omo adu 300
simple
because 8 hours adwuma baako enipa miensa
na ye wi ani ate afri 1.7 million nimu
na ya hwe ai simple die baba ya no enti John Dramani Mahama say sa nneoma we nyina no oya ebetumi ama ye security agencies no enyuma ye kuo no sa enyuma yefo omo ho no omo bedosu bebre afen so kire confirm say ye nneoma ni bi wo ho a ye no Ghana ha enkrofo ma sunya omope nanso ne dodo no esua ye ntumi nhye da mfa nko ebi ti se omo ye gari o se gari wi wo market pa it is a 24-hour economy ni ba na se gari no baby a ye che gari se nipa miensa ne wo ho a e o se 24-hour economy ni boa e ma afedie omo beye enipa enkono fi se miensa no de times miensa e wo se wunya enkono se de be ye ho so enipa pii so betumi anya adwuma aye.
So we ask Muton Gary, Muamuton Banchi, Muamoye Banchi, Waju. Mebusa say Muamuton Banchi, Muamuton Gary, Abai by Wababe Humuana, Muamoye Banchi, Waju Mano, Abai NDC, Abai by no Gary 4, any Cassava 4. Akosi say, first question, Amibusa.
Sign a Nyoma Echo.
Yentuaso.
Ain't it
manufacturing that is in the industry. So the industry, the fruits, juice making industry, all the iron and steel industry, we are currently 24/7.
So Hano Okade.
Or say the Oka Nina. Behwe asoye a ehwe emfidi nnwuma ho nsem ho enti omo ye ntoma obi wo ho a ebia onim tie nda ye GTP4 wo ho akoso mo tester o ATL4 nyina wo ho enti saa ne oba no e na oba behwe na yetumi aye ne bebre saa so ye ne betumi aye omo adwuma ne bebre na no so nipa pi enya adwuma aye
okay
enti
so o use word be encourage
ye be show mu nkra
say policy be here voluntary. You cannot assume.
Yeah.
Because according to say, yeah, bomb say nipa beba.
Yeah.
It is different from saying say nipa 1,000 yenyomo.
Okay.
Parce que we conversation.
Sure.
Yeah, koye events. Ahimfie FM koye events. Ya ton take is 1,000. It's a bit me account say nipa 1,000. And yeah, expect some beba. Nemom, field the met me for nipa 1,000. But ya ton 500. What you say? Yenti min kase nipa 1,000 ebeba. Nemum the other can so ye hese. By ye no ebia na petado be kona nipa 700.
Sure. And you betimi yes.
Enti 24-hour economy no ye wo de aban etimi ye. And then you person who said they are buying to me yet to say be a DVLA immigration ne port no. Omu dodo ye saying
no correct.
Then oba ankran kredwuma dienima
kronuma
aba enye force.
Debi.
Eye aban no so obeye nhyehyeye na nipa na ye. Eno ne saa no untimi mfa mobra.
Debi.
Because sika eni hu no ye mfa mobra.
Debi.
We na President John Mahaama kan no o kan it say be a social studies teacher. On say social studies teacher na yo the government must the government shall the government I was say it was say ye ne mpanyifo ne ankrankra bedi nkomo say ye mfa mobra if we say obi a woye odwumawura ni bia no enye te se waka 24-hour economy ni ntina okoye owo nhyehyeye eho akade a eka ho uti ase na nse me nia baako me pese me bo brand ni din say businessmen a omukoyi nyoma free port they are crying businessmen sadie we na ye de bo MPP for 3 so
yeah
say port nyoma ne boy den
sure
aban we buy no and odi AI bia bank enye bone but busa say businessmen say so omukoyi omunyoma e wo port bra wo mo brani sika wo mo die etua ba ko se first no under MPP kra ni yesu no na mikoyi nyoma na mayire so bia 80,000 na 90,000
na we
enne odi kire me 1.6 billion
a day
old currency
a day
under John Dramani Mahama.
And you know, so no because of the flat rate in Hong Kong.
And I may say, I'm telling you, me offer enemy business partners. So can you and I can tell you, say, businessmen no mukoyi nyoma wo port no. Omusu, omobre. Meanwhile, President John Mahaama Drew baby kranam se port krebe free.
Aye.
Ebia AI na odi aba no odi aba se obi nwia but on for AI ne ma na nyoma kosro na businessman ni su na abai where you were ni just because you want money. And then you are talking about 24-hour economy. And you say me kokra nyoma free portoba na first nebia de me ye 80,000 na they say we call 1.6 minti me 24-hour economy no minti me fan crofo adwuma yie it 24-hour economy na wo encourage me say menye no enye ye
me fa me ho nkɔhya sɛ because me kwei mɛbɔka
ebi wanya bibi
enti
yes interbusia nsɛm wo yɛ ba abɔntena wotie ni nyina ɛnyɛ me na meka o wei ɛyɛ NDC journalist kɛseɛ pa yɛ nyina anim no ana jantoa ono na ekasa yi mimi asami jasi mimi akoba yepa ya ankasa ye personal enemy journalist ono de be okasa tia NDC ene ekasa fe na jantoa ono na mama na akwanyama na nkyere promises of John Mahaama de 2012 I want to me ani so ene de ode be 2020 mu a wasan de be 2024 mu a ote ho a osafa ho na wasan plan underground so person mra teta. But I did now the Biatu Timon said, this man is really someone that you can never trust. Now, Ghana journalist in the Druba Biam was Sembi Episa. Nana Jantwa Aya Debia, I am Wapa. Now, I want to ask this and keep it said. And the Sembino Papa can and ne, na onim dada. Na so nim dada so dia. Dear Nessi, ni kwanyama na nka no kre asem no se de sitie amfa nkyere nipa dasani na odi ntrombom de kyere Ghana fo sikane sabio $2,000 ya apia stadium ne na asem okaye se ye de man na jantoa na oye adwuma entina jantoa ni mniema we nyina efa John Mahaama ho ena wa mo Ghana fo amane asema mebisa sentina na jantoa enim nsem we nyina ena wanka ena otena ho eye ne ho se de onim ho e enkontompo we nyina na onim wa oni padasani na ene me bebo video bi a kyerɛw if you will not get shocked or you will not get shocked ever sana na jantoa we yasna ba betena se on his platform sign bona na do abaso on the free education. Na we are saying say we nyai abetwa ebehu akokono mawre tie video we na yensamra sisia
me wonyoma bi wo ho a papa ne ye ya meka ho asem but opa ko akire when it comes to education maka no ha in fact say me compare education that of NDC ni MPP e wo soro in terms of investment in education e chen NDC. Still na no yebra haruna idrusu ontimi mache sa records na yebra nana kufuado ho ema education into free senior high school e baye odika de minia panyi napo e baye napo born ho modern pa to ensure say free senior high school no ya shase say edio say enya dio ya shase ko president by 2017 but the first year now no see there be free senior high school na was say shase and no ye ni ye ye betimi aka say challenges wo ho but be bia ni ho challenges any but he was committed say free senior high school no obey ama na ye oye yenso eduru ba bi kra na nkra no any ba bi omu beda eduru ba bi kra na yesi green any blue. The most important thing was that despite a wofo be kana green ni blue ni na sefo ato de bia omo be trafie 1 month na omo trafie 3 months no ma ko school 1 month ni na sefo no ni nyina keka bo mu no at least abofra bi etimi ko school free under na nado danko akufo ado. That was progressive thinking. O man bia be ko nanim a education eno na nado danko akufo ado ye no ene me guso bona baso wo sa education ho waya de ewo education adesua sika wo de hyemu de den de mre ni nyina wo se nkra ni nko school enti na po free ho no ena yewra doctor yaw adutum ebae papa no so ba beto ade na po eye no so no osade kon nanim mo eme ehun se enwomesua be kon nanim yi a na se e wose ye movie from debia de ye di baba ne babadie no ne ye de ekọ de abel from quantumpon de tie ebusia mame kan chiro ene adusua asesa first no na ye ka adusua na obia na adwene se ontra classroom nko a ene asesa ene obetimi atena wo fie na wasua de nyina wie enyoma asesa
Nana Janto na ekasa say yo. Na asema mbisa sentina na woni manema we nyina e na wotena se kata wani di ntrotwa nkontompo edidi nanado ne MPP fo nyina tem se omonye ehwe. Abra wonim se ene dadua me no kasa oman bi be kona nim ye nwomasua. Abra wonim se ene dadua me no kasa se wopese oman sesan ye nwomasua. Na aban bi aba na odi nkrofo ma ekọ school for free. Na utumi tena platform so ekata wani edidi papa na tem egu n'anim ase fitaa yen to abanti ano apra na wankasa wonim say the man was doing the right job. This is what I'm asking you. And now betra say John Mahaama yen trofo yen kontomponi ne 24-hour economy ontumi nyama ne yeye nanado danko akufo adumom na kire se ne policy oba o yo mane yeye na ne policy no kro de be ne kra na eso wo mfaso e de nkoso ni nkanko na ebre oman no e de oman ne sesa hyebre e kọ nanim because ne adesua e na sesa nipa dasani abrabo kwasi ampanyi ni weni munsem we nyina otena ase wo nhyira FM kan sema e time de fananado ho abra na wonim se one another is doing is a changing of a generation. Yes, generational development. And another the agenda here. When the echo and the common teachers omo salary crying to me pia. Teachers in Kwao omo salary in Timin Piana and campus the cost of borders and crofo modest school. Because you were visionary leader and you were sycophant leader. Visionary leader no any PN leaders now mudi MPP amanyoko na nima omu seek beyond the box. Omu hu niema every day the usually. Omu timi hu niema ni beyond. Omu think about the future. Look at what J. Kufuor did. Where Juma J. Kufuor in 8 years. How J. Kufuor was able to transform the whole country. You heard that Mahaama Bay, ye sambe train yen ye koyechi. And then the beyond make us a wutie me. Me can't you say Katawani na kan niema emiensa Rollins 18 years on as a government. 18 good years, 18 solid stoppable years as a government. Katawanina kan samba kuchire me the NDC abanye odi Ghana so 18 good years yeah. The obeka ne se ogugu akamfo ye big business. The obeka ne se ye kumjeje fo. The obeka se ye kudita. Ye kase kan sempa pa chire me asamba akopo betumi aka ne se district local government in district assemblies. And then the only thing Rollins yeah as at today. Eye adebia apeye pillar of our democracy. All the rest of the 18 years were all things about sycophants, about them. That is the character of the NDC. That is the character of the NDC. But a balance cheap propaganda, yenin tronkontompo yen kata yenin kandi yenim just to win elections. Nobody goes close to them. They are very powerful in that. At that perspective, the NDC is very powerful. Propaganda machinery, building a weaponized propaganda team to destroy others. And we're at the top. But when it comes to the effectiveness of performance as a government, they are so they don't know how to bring out ideas every developer or minor in the time coming. and the gold board aye ka ho asemi eye Dr. Bawumia idea and omo afa omo ye ne de omo de. The gold purchases program I na me no sunti ane NDC for tuminye sika e di kowura market no e di manipulate the dollar to cedi rate no eye Dr. Bawumia adwene. NDC cannot sit down and think in and bring out a new idea. All this about what somebody has done. Let's chop something small and let's say any buy. A business yes, Mahaama care. Mahaama care is part of health care, health free what them call free insurance. Some part of free insurance fund and a Mahaama care. So where does that come from? This is what I want to tell you. And they have nothing. So who could do a mochikoye campaigner? Ubenu ho and no be na to kwasi ampanyi we friend na jantoa on hu de onya and now sorry are now team. We no omofu and omodenam. Enti ye twisika man na onwene Jimmy no keka de ope. Odisika ni were na adwene ba ne ho so na ohun de omoya afi na odin sa guniti. This is what is happening to Nanjantoa today. Oh, the oka. Listen to this video too.
Video no. Ebuchan say afena wu tia de can say. Ye tia ye NDC ni MPP no. De tia ne say nipa say wu ena no pa ya wo konongo kwan so. Nipa 13 ena ewu e wo konongo. Inti me bo voice bia just recently minia ketwa Amaru Shako ye abrantia or the social media e cause so positive change. Na sa kwa no so mafaso na me faso no before then no fa me other video no so to so e mame mafasa akwa no so enche obi a wafa enkran kwan so go to my page biem obi a wafa enkran kwan so pen no me faso mafasa akwa no so na me ko eastern region me ana me drive here enkran kwan so se wo kwa ubetimi awu no matter how careful you are. Me the time ana me driving to so sa kwan no se bia wo kon kran ya cha aha enu nie be hwe enkran kwan de ntia ubetimi awu we me driving na me ma obi twae as of now na obi a wafa sa kwan no so ekwan no eduru ba bia abobo ti se nkuto enkran kwan so no abobo kikiki abobo ebi kura sei enti to de bia te se wo fa enchen mom enti we me free eastern region eba ana me driving as of now eni bia ba ya ye akran kwan so just one lane ba ko corner ba ko ba enti hwewu the possible thing ebetimi akoso accident ni because ekwan ni so it won't say ebi nenam ho urban and na wo hwe kwan ni so a etutu camera ni na enye but ekwan na etutu ebi ni o ekwan na etutu enkran kwan so and the reason why it is say ye bana tie bi obi tie paya obe face you say kan e ekọ na nyame ampata bra Facebook and ambition wo TV so we na me driving from eastern region eba me pese me chog enkran kwas de enti ekọ so accident enye bayi o enye bayi the problem nie eno na ne e kase na do dan kwakufu ado ene me bona baso papa no nim die and one of the things that Nana Akufo-Addo ya de pa say e kwan bia wu se no waye na adwun so obey no obie kwan nim e ade a mani gye won Nana Akufo-Addo sa de no ho se e kwan bia na opese o ya nka nya sika ya wa bie kwan nim se de be ya kwan no kwan enko obi kura nko pem but in kran kwa so say netie ubewu in kran kwa so me so we careful say obi be kun kwa because etia wo na oba yakasa tina ne say fa sika hyem na anka bypass na Nana Akufo-Addo aye no ye wie ansa no aye expressway aban se twintwan ma me nka no kran kyerɛw me building technologies. I majored in civil works engineering no yeti ase expressway no John Mahaama be wie president ni enya wie me say ka biem expressway no President John Mahaama enwie ansa na ne time abawie ye menka se expressway ne nye but Ghana ni $4 billion se sie yi se de beye se adwuma no meanwhile anka bypass no $300 million dollars no ebetimi aye bypass na wia na Akufo Addo die no nanka eso ate nanka abana nya bre no aye ne expressway ba yesi twintwan ono so be ye ne de expressway me foaso but me say anka be boase aban ebewie bypass no na yenhwe konongo bypass no Amaru Shako ekoye nwadwa minim sa kwan na eka sa bypasses na Akufo Addo ye no senka ewie pe Accra ubetimi di 2 hours kra ba ebetimi afele de expressway ni pese ye ne daache no.
Yes, interbusiana na Jantoa na ene de obo yewura na do dan kwa Akufo Addo na baso no wi asesa na tie wan kai me ansu a obekai me asre sa na wi ase tie ayebo wudi mbone no ochena ye beka wasem e de akai wo e wo ne papam abusafo me de mo besia na oche yankopon ya abuduma ya sign ehia biem midin ene ras media gh on YouTube and on Facebook akra mu nyina meda mu nyina se mama ama me chia ye pa mi asami jase me chia pa from Hamburg sa so na John Fit Gerard Kennedy me chia ye pa me mama da na pe a won so me chia me ye panye we sun coffee me chia ye pa me chia adofo nyina me ye kwasi Asamoah ene Mr Asante me chia mu nyina Facebook wa mola ke ye Dauda Abdullahi Ajibet Obiri Yeboa Osei Gideon Aseda Ben Adu Ernest Seidu Sulemana Mohammed Hussein enen kafo a mudin ampie nyina me chiachia mu nyina da mu nyina ase ne mo breme de ubesia o che yankopon ya adoma e besan ahia biem until we meet again